Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I would like to talk about Tangerine essential oil, and this is an oil that has many benefits, just like the other citrus essential oils. Be careful not to use it and then go out in direct sunlight. But other than that, it's a great oil for detox, for the digestive system, for moving the lymphatic system. It's antifungal, antimicrobial, anti-arthritic, anti-rheumatic, antiseptic, antispasmodic. It's a blood purifier. It has immune booster qualities. It's a nervine. It's good for the liver, so it has hepatic properties. Some of the conditions that this essential oil is good for: it's good for acne, anxiety, arthritis, constipation, cold, chest congestion, diarrhea, flatulence, flu, indigestion, inflammation, insomnia, low platelet count. So if you have that, this is an oil that you can use for that. Muscle spasms, scars, stretch marks, respiratory infection, any respiratory issues, stress, stomach issues. It's good for the skin. From my own personal experience, it's a good oil for the skin. It's also good for the lymphatic system. So I have some heavy metals, and I've used this oil to release some of the heavy metals from some areas. And the only thing with the oils like the citrus family is you have to increase your water intake, and also sometimes you need to take binders because they can create a healing crisis, because they mobilize the toxins, and they mobilize them from the fat. So sometimes you just have to increase your water intake, and you also have to take binders sometimes. So this is it for this oil. If you guys have ever used Tangerine essential oil, what is your experience? How did you use it? What did you use it for? If you don't mind sharing. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.